Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial. Daniel here from TechWare Update, and today I'm going to show you how to install Android apps on Windows 11. The method I'll be using is official and the quickest one available. First, before you begin, you need at least 8 GB of RAM, though 16 GB is recommended. I actually recommend even more if possible. You also need a solid-state drive, SSD, because using a hard drive will make the process very slow, whereas with an SSD, it will be much faster. It's recommended that your processor architecture is 64-bit, and you need to have virtual machine support enabled. To enable virtualization on Windows 11, go to Task Manager. From there, go to the Performance tab, then CPU. Check if virtualization is enabled or disabled. In my case, it's enabled. If it's disabled on your system, go to Start, search for Turn Windows Features on or off, and ensure that Virtual Machine Platform and Hyper-V are checked. Click OK. After enabling these options, you'll need to restart your computer. It's also crucial to enable virtualization in your BIOS. If your processor doesn't support virtualization, you won't be able to proceed. Now it's time to restart the computer and enable virtualization in the BIOS. During the restart, I will press Escape, in my case, to enter the BIOS, but it could be F2, Delete, or F9 depending on your system. Once inside, go to the BIOS setup, navigate to System Security, and enable virtualization. It's usually found under the Security tab. Save the changes, and then restart the computer. Next, it's very important to update Windows 11 to the latest version. Go to Check for Updates and install any new releases. You need to be on a stable version, but if you're on a preview version, that's great. Then, go to the Microsoft Store and install the Amazon App Store. You'll find the link in the description or on my website. If you encounter an error saying, "This app will not work on your device," go to the library in the Microsoft Store and update everything. Once updated, open the Amazon App Store again. If the Install button is grayed out and doesn't work, download the Windows subsystem for Android from the link in the description. Click the Download button, and it will start downloading. If you don't want to download from the link I provided, you can also download it from another site. Once you have the link, copy it and paste it in the browser. You'll see the Amazon App Store. Just follow the instructions on my website. Double-click to install manually. The file is about 1.2 gigabytes. After installation, open the Microsoft Store again, and you'll see that the Windows subsystem for Android is available. Go to your library, click Get Updates, and update the Windows subsystem for Android. Once updated, open the Amazon App Store, log in with your account, and you'll have access to all Android apps. I will create additional tutorials on how to install the Google Play Store and install apps directly from there, but that will be covered in another video. Make sure to enable developer options. This feature, supported by Microsoft, allows you to install APK files. Open the Microsoft Store and install the APK installer. After that, you can select the APK file you want to install, click Install, and install it on your system. Once installed, navigate to the app folder, which could be called APK Installer or ADB Driver. You'll now be able to load APK files. Go to your library, open the APK installer, and install your APK file. For example, if you're installing Messenger APK, click Install Anyway, as it's a non-official app. Once it's installed, input your credentials, and the app will work like it does on your mobile device. That's how you can install Android apps on your Windows 11. This is the official method suggested by Microsoft. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. God bless, and see you in the next one.